We had seen in the previous video how to make some styling for our sheets based on our intentions. That I like this background to change, this border to change, this direction of the font, this sizing, and so on. Sheets had provided us some ways to do some automatic styling. Automatic means that based on some condition, it will style the cell itself. Let's we see this directly. For example, if I am starting at an empty cell and then I will come to format, then conditional formatting. Okay, that's the conditional formatting for this cell. Okay, that's the standard formatting. If it is not empty, it will be have a background of green, this color, which is the default formatting. If it is not empty, okay, and this applies only for this cell. Okay, if I come here and I put any number 1, for example, then you will see that the color of the background had changed. Okay, I will remove it, the color will be removed, so automatically the color changes. I don't go and put some coloring for the background. Automatically when I put any number here, the color changes. So supposedly that I need to make some other styling or some other conditions. You can come here, you will find a list of the most important conditions that are commonly used, and then you can add any custom formula. We will see this in coming videos, the custom formulas and what we can do with them. For example, I will select less than. Okay, and instead of changing the color, I will select that the font will be red. Okay, and this background I will keep it as white, or it's better to make none, so it's none. So if you are using some coloring in different areas, it's not to change it in to white. And then I will say done. Okay, value or formula less than what? Less than 0. Okay, and then I will say done. Okay, less than 0 means that when it is negative. So if I come to the same cell again here and I put 100, for example, enter, so nothing is changed. If I put negative 100, the color is changed to red. Okay, so that's automatically the sheets is taking a decision based on the conditions that I programmed, and it's changing the color of my text inside. So if I delete this one and I put 20, for example, it's not, color is not changing. If I put minus 1000, the color is changing. So automatically it takes the decision to change the color. I can make this for other things. If I return back to this same cell again, you can see that you can make a single color. Okay, and you can make bold styling, you can make italics, you can make underline, whatever. Maybe we can add underlining and bold, for example. So, and that's a sample of the styling that will be done, and I'll say done. Okay, so I go again and I put here 20, for example, so it's normal. If I put here minus 20, it's coming bold, underlined, and red in color. So this is changing automatically. Okay, of course there are more to the conditional formatting. If I come to this cell, for example, again, and instead of single color as we had programmed it, I say I need a scale of colors. So the scale of colors changes based on the value. For example, if I started here from, my point is for the minimum value is a number, that's the minimum value. Minimum number is minus 20, for example, and then the midpoint is also a number, and I'll select 0, and the maximum I'll select a number also, and I'll put to 20, and I'll select the custom colors, for example here from red to green. Okay, and then I will say done. You need to scroll a little bit down and say done. Okay, so you see now it's minus 20, it's coming to red. If I put here in this cell again 0, enter, so it is not colored. If I put 50, it will be green because it's moving in the direction of the green. If I put here minus 100, it is red because it's in the direction of the minus 20. So it understands automatically minus 20 and under it's red, above 20 it's green. Top. What if I added here 10? you can see that it's light color. If I added 5, so you can see it is between the white and the green. If I added -5, you will see that it is between the white and the red. So all these decisions are automatically taken for you. So now I'll make something. I will select the complete range, okay, of the cells, and then I will format, conditional formatting, add another rule. Okay, that's all the cells in our range. Okay, and instead of saying, you can see that by default it's coming as, if it is not empty, it's getting this background, green background. So I will remove this one, none. Okay, and I will add the same as we had done for one cell. I will add negative coloring, but when it is less than, you can see also the conditions is coming for the dates. When it is less than and the value is 0, okay, you can see that we were having some cells which are negative. You can see that automatically the negative cells had turned to red, while the other cells remains the same. And I will say done. Okay, so this modification is applied to the complete sheet. So for example, if I come here and I change this number, for example, to -1000, enter. So you can see that this number is automatically changed to red, and this one is changed to red also. Okay, so now we had seen how to make automatic formatting, which is called conditional formatting, and the sheets automatically detect the condition. You had programmed it, and it automatically changes the cells or the color, the background, the color of the font, or the color of the writing, the bold, italics, and so on. Okay, I hope this was a nice trick for you. Let me see you in coming videos with another tricks from Sheets.